Hey, today I'm going to show you how to edit shortcuts inside the app. Shortcuts are the icons you see on your home screen. You can choose exactly which ones you want quick access to, or keep your screen completely clean if you prefer. To get started, tap Settings in the top right corner, then select Edit Shortcuts. At the top, you'll see the shortcuts that are currently on your home screen. If you scroll down, you'll find more shortcuts that you can add if you'd like. Let's make a few changes. To remove a shortcut, tap the red minus icon. For example, I'll remove Chat and Hunt. Now they're gone from my home screen. If I change my mind, I can easily add them back. Just go to Settings again and tap the green plus icon next to the shortcuts you want. Once you've added the shortcuts you want, you can also rearrange them. Press and hold an icon for a couple of seconds, then drag it to where you want it. You can also drag a shortcut to the bin to remove it from the screen. And that's how you customize your home screen and edit your shortcuts. Thanks for watching.